At the knowledge wreck, I met Little Elephant and Capuchin. I decided to check what they knew and asked them about contagious yawning. Little Elephant explained that it is connected to empathy and special cells in the brain called mirror neurons. He said that these cells become active when we watch someone else's behavior, making our brain do the same thing and encouraging us to copy it. Capuchin added that the closer we are to someone, the easier it is to catch a yawn from them, which shows that yawning is also a way to build social bonds. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that contagious yawning is a complex phenomenon caused by empathy, mirror neurons, and the need for group synchronization.